27th day of the month of April 2026. All right. Today happens to be the court hearing between B Lord and Very Dark Man. All right. As we all know. But then here is a moment where B Lord, Very Dark Man, Sowore meets in court. This one I will see where they jammed in court. They actually met. And this guy VDM, this guy is just too nice. And you see the way he shook the hand of B Lord. But then there were some few confusions that we actually need to understand within that moment. All right. VDM made him know that, I would have just let these whole things slide, but Sowore wanted to show me that he's a man. So let us now see who is a man amongst the two of us. So I don't know, but then I will allow you guys here to have fun, and then please, and just in case the first time you're meeting us, please help us to hit on the subscription button right there. And then please turn on the post notification bell for more.
Barrister Rose. No, sorry, man. What I'm doing, I'm coming. Yes, I'm sorry. No, let's look at the when is high? This defendant counsel, wait, I just my flash. Off one on
Pepper them gang, they are dogs. This is your. Pepper them gang, they are dogs. Time is going. Barrister Rose. The interesting thing about it. The interesting thing about it is that all of us, him, myself, and
Master, we want people to do this. And to be fair to him, all of us were put in the National Director of Prisoners. They'll take a picture of you, they'll take your fingerprints, so in future, if you are looking at into prison, we will all be there. Just do what we play, and we are ex-convicts. But I'm not using Nigeria as a whole. I'm not using it. The point we have to get. I know they will. Master doesn't care about it. There are things he cares about and not ex-convicts. Because ultimately, you will be convicted of a crime of passion. Yes.
I don't know if I'm overthinking or I'm just thinking out. It's not even about let me say something. Let's say finally, like this case would have come to an end. But because of Sowore, I want to it's a thing of pride now. It's not about him anymore. It's about showing Sowore that he cannot do anything. Yeah. This is general. I want to show us that general. Like I said, it's not about it's about Sowore now. You understand? It's about Sowore now. And I will show you. It's about Sowore now. And I will show you.
Well, the matter was for trial. As we all know, the case has been in public domain, and today the defendant was in court. The prosecution and the team were all court. So the court called the case, and parties informed the court that we were ready for the case. However, the judge, in a most unlike of events, decided to state to the court that she will be recruiting herself from this case and will be sending the file to the Honorable the Chief Judge for reassignment of this case. And it was a most unexpected event, as to the best of my knowledge, there was no formal application, So it is presumed that the court so moto, decided to adjourn and send the file back to the Honorable the Chief Judge. And this only happens when there's any form or likelihood of the integrity of the judicial process being painted in a bad light. And this is the reason why most times the court would, on their own sole volition, decide to send back the file just to preserve public confidence and integrity, especially with the fact that there have been a lot of social media ranting and dragging and name calling. So yes, it is. Even though it's surprising, it is not also too surprising to we the lawyers, because this is actually the judicial process when things like this happen, within a case or a matter that is pending in court. Has the judge been tried in this matter? Well, I can't say because I'm not. I don't have residual knowledge as to whether or not the judge is being dragged. But then this is mostly common when there's any presumption that probably there might be a relationship between the biasness of the judge and the case. Do you understand? So most times this is what happens. But then the matter has been adjourned to the 19th day of May 2026 for mention. Wayne Chikize Elijah. Thank you.